Welcome to Wolfie's World, where English becomes your superpower. No matter your level, we break grammar down into clear steps with real examples and superhero energy. Let's get started. Hi everyone. Today, we're jumping into the past simple tense, the key to telling great stories and sharing what happened yesterday, last week, or even last year. Let's discover how to talk about the past with confidence. Let's talk about the past simple, a tense we use to describe something that already happened. Think of moments like yesterday, last week, or 2 days ago. For example, yesterday, Wolfie helped people. Last week, Wolfie trained hard. These actions are finished, and the past simple helps us share those stories. Ready to learn how to build these sentences? Let's start with affirmatives. Let's look at the affirmative form of the past simple. We use it to talk about actions that happened in the past, like yesterday or last week. For regular verbs, just add ed. I walked to school. But irregular verbs don't follow the rule. She went to the park. So here's your formula. Regular, subject plus, verb plus ed. Irregular, subject plus irregular verb. Next, we'll see how to say something didn't happen. Let's look at negative sentences in the past simple. We use didn't to show something didn't happen. For example, Wolfie didn't lose, or she didn't eat pizza. Just remember, after didn't, we use the base verb, no ed. The structure is simple. Subject plus didn't plus base verb. That's how we clearly say something did not happen. When we change did not to didn't, it makes our speech quicker, smoother, and more natural, especially in casual conversations. Take this example. Wolfie didn't lose. It's easier to say than Wolfie did not lose, right? Contractions help our language sound more relaxed and friendly, making it easier to connect with others. It's all about speaking clearly, naturally, and with confidence. Let's learn how to ask questions in the past simple. To form a question, start with did plus the subject plus the base verb, no ed. For example, did Wolfie win? Did she go to school? It's just like a negative sentence, but instead of didn't, we start with did. Once you get the rhythm, it becomes second nature. Let's talk about regular and irregular verbs in the past simple. Regular verbs are easy. Just add ed, like Wolfie trained hard. Irregular verbs change form completely. For example, Wolfie ate lunch. So, regular verbs follow a pattern. Irregular verbs? You just have to remember them. Keep that in mind as we keep building your grammar skills. In the past tense, verbs stay the same, whether the subject is singular or plural. For example, Wolfie helped. The heroes helped. See? Help doesn't change. Use he, she, it, I with singular subjects and we, you, they for plural. The verb stays consistent either way. This makes the past simple easier to learn and easier to use every day. Keep it up. Let's practice using regular verbs in the past tense. Try these. Wolfie, the people. Help, helped. They, over the wall. Jump, jumped. She, the battle. Start, started. We, together. Work, worked. Got your answers. Let's check. Helped, jumped, started, worked. All regular verbs. Just add ed. Let's explore irregular verbs in the past simple. Unlike regular verbs, they don't end in ed. For example, Wolfie went to the rescue. Go becomes went. She ate a super snack. Eat becomes ate. They bought suits. Not buyed, but bought. I took my powers to the next level. Take becomes took. These verbs don't follow rules. You just have to remember them. But with practice, you'll use them naturally. Let's look at affirmative sentences in the past. Wolfie trained for battle. That's a regular verb, so we add ed. They won the fight. One is an irregular verb. It changes form. She learned new moves. Another regular verb. I flew across the city. Flew is irregular. So in the affirmative, we use the past form of the verb, regular or irregular. Just remember the pattern, or memorize the change. Let's look at the negative form in the past simple. We use didn't, followed by the base verb to show something did not happen. For example, Wolfie didn't fight alone. She didn't see the villain. They didn't lose the mission. I didn't take the wrong path. No Ed here, just didn't, plus the verb. It's simple, clear, and easy to use in everyday conversation. Let's form past simple questions. And yes, we're going full detective mode. Start with did, then the subject, then the base verb. Like, did Wolfie save the day? Did she train yesterday? Did they go to superhero school? Did he fight the villain? No Ed, no changes, just clean, simple structure. Did is your clue that we're digging into the past. Let's keep investigating. Let's explore how contractions make our speech smoother and more natural. Instead of saying, Wolfie did not give up, we say, Wolfie didn't give up. She did not see the mistake becomes, she didn't see the mistake. They did not finish the training turns into, they didn't finish the training. And I did not lose the battle becomes, I didn't lose the battle. By using didn't, we speak more clearly and conversationally. Try practicing a few of your own. Let's unlock the power of the past simple tense. With regular verbs, just add ed. Walk becomes walked. Irregular verbs, they change form, like go turns into went. To say something didn't happen, use didn't. Plus base verb, she didn't go. When asking questions, start with did. Did you walk to the store? These small changes make your English clear, natural, and confident. Keep practicing. You're doing great. Great job today, hero. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every step makes your English stronger. I'm Wolfie, and I'll see you in the next lesson.